Design characteristics of sanitary conveyors that we like to incorporate into all of our builds. We'll start out at some of the things that are very common. We'll space our bearings off from the side frame to make sure that we don't trap any debris between the side frame and the bearing. We want to make sure that any grease that should come out of the bearing will fall to the floor and will not get any place even close to the product zone. We make sure that the frames of our conveyors are seal welded, making sure that there's no pits or voids that can trap any debris or any water. We'll make sure that when you lift our chain up, that you can wash through and that all the water will pass through to the floor for easy cleanup. We don't want to trap any water or debris within the conveyor, so we make sure we minimize any horizontal surfaces. We pay particular attention to what's going to be traveling on the chain. If it is raw product, we want to make sure that the conveyor belt material that we select is compatible with that product and meets any guidelines set by the FDA or USDA. With sanitary conveyors, we want to make sure we understand the cleaning practices within the facility. If the conveyors are going to be foamed, there's a good chance that we're going to use 316 stainless steel instead of 304. If the conveyors are only going to be washed with high pressure, then typically 304 stainless steel is a good use in that application. Typically on washdown sanitary conveyors, we're going to use stainless steel, at a minimum epoxy coated gear reducers. Anytime possible, we try to use shaft mounted gear reducers so that we don't have a chain guard and we don't have a timing belt guard that can also trap debris and create just one more area that poses a difficulty to get into and to clean on a regular basis. Guide rails on sanitary conveyors, we've done all kinds. We will use guide rails with UHMW inserts, typically the solid inserts. We will use welded guide rails. We've used stainless steel round rod as a guide rail. We've used stainless steel flat as a guide rail. It's very dependent upon the product and the type of cleaning practice that is incorporated in that facility. Sanitary conveyors will utilize a lot of different legs, leg styles. Sometimes we will use a tube-in-tube leg that has absolutely no threads. Other times we will use a tube leg seal welded with a threaded leveler. And then there are times when we will use a channel leg with the channel facing out so it's easy to clean. Depending on the application, we will even work with the customer to develop a sanitary leg that they are used to and that they would like to use in their facility. Because we are a custom fabrication shop, we are open to any designs that our customers would like to have in their facility. If you have an application for sanitary conveyors, please give us a call at 913-722-6664 or contact us through our website portal.